You're getting sleepy. Very sleepy. Hopefully not because you're watching my videos, but because you have a ChiliSleep sleep system. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy, BIOHACK. And if you like videos about tech reviews, product unboxings, and filmmaking and photography tutorials, make sure you smash that subscribe button with all notifications turned on so that you never miss another video on this channel. And if you've been here before, or if you're already subscribed, welcome back. So yes, indeed, today we are talking about some cool new tech that could quite literally change your life. But first things first, I do want to give a huge thank you and shout out to ChiliSleep for actually sponsoring this video. So ChiliSleep, thank you. I appreciate you. So here's the deal. You probably hear all the time about how getting your 8 hours of sleep per night is important, but what if I told you it's not just about the amount of sleep you get, but very much also about the quality? That's where ChiliSleep comes in. ChiliSleep is a brand of Sleep Me Incorporated that focuses on hydroponic temperature regulation while you sleep to ensure that you're getting the most efficient and most restful night's slumber that you can. The ChiliSleep CUBE and OOLER sleep systems are these really cool futuristic systems that quite literally circulate hot or cold water through a comfortable mattress pad that seamlessly gets placed on top of your already existing mattress. So let's get into the nitty-gritty of how all these things work together, starting things out with the Chili Cool Mesh Pad, which is actually an integral part of both the ChiliSleep CUBE and OOLER sleep systems. So each ChiliSleep sleep system is going to include one of these bad boys right here, the Chili Cool Mesh Pad. This is a mattress pad that works hand in hand with your ChiliSleep sleep system control unit to regulate the temperature. And each Cool Mesh Pad has two different sides. You could have a comfy side, or if you want maximum cooling effect, you could also use the cooling side. This is 100% machine washable. I know, because I've already washed mine once already. You're also gonna notice these holding straps at each corner of the Chili Cool Mesh Pad, which is gonna help it actually stay in place when it's installed atop your mattress so that it's not gonna move around. It's also nice to know that the Chili Cool Mesh Pad comes without any kind of wires or electrical connections within it, so you're gonna have zero EMFs if that's something of concern to you while you're sleeping. Now, an important thing to note here, the Chili Cool Mesh Pad is available in two different configurations, either the Me configuration or the We configuration. The Me configuration is going to be good for single users, while the We configuration, you guessed it, is going to be good for dual users. And then within the Me and We configurations, you're also going to have several different sizes to choose from, ranging from as small as a half queen all the way up to a full California king. Basically, what these configurations and sizes mean is that you can completely custom tailor your ChiliSleep sleep system to your personal setup. And one more thing about those We configurations, those actually take customization a step further by offering two different temperature control zones. So using a We Cool Mesh Pad with two different temperature control units, you could quite literally set two different temperatures for each side of the mattress. No matter how you sleep with the Chili Cool Mesh Pad, rest assured there is a configuration for you. Pun intended. But now that you understand more about the ChiliSleep Chili Cool Mesh Pads, let's talk more about the ChiliSleep sleep systems themselves, which is where the water heating and water cooling takes place before it's actually circulated through the mesh pad. And we will start things out by talking about this puppy right here. This is the ChiliSleep CUBE temperature control unit. This is kind of where the magic happens. The CUBE control unit connects to your Chili Cool Mesh Pad that we just took a look at, and it's what allows you to set the temperature settings from 55 degrees all the way up to 115 degrees for your bed. And coming in at just 8 inches tall, you can even hide this system under your bed if you want a more minimalistic and inconspicuous look. And if you ever want to change the temperature of the CUBE system, you don't have to get out of bed. You can actually do so right from the ChiliSleep CUBE system remote control. You can quickly and easily see the temperature that your CUBE system is set to and make any adjustments you want with the remote control, again, right from the comfort of your bed. The ChiliSleep CUBE cooling system is ChiliSleep's most affordable cooling and heating solution for your bed. And if you want to learn more, or if you just want to snag one of these bad boys for yourself, you could always head to my affiliate link, bmac.link/cube. bmac.link/cube, or as always, there will be a clickable link in the video description box below as well, so be sure to check that out. But I had to leave enough time to talk about another one of ChiliSleep's temperature control units, this one being the OOLER ChiliSleep sleep system. And it's very similar to that of the Cube, but it just has even more customizability and even more features. Just like the Cube, the OOLER system also comes with your ChiliSleep Chili Cool Mesh Pad that works in conjunction with the OOLER control unit. And the OOLER control unit can also be hidden under your bed, coming in at just 6¼ inches tall. But the main benefit here with the OOLER sleep control unit is the fact that it does come with Bluetooth connectivity to actually control it with your smartphone. So yes, you can change the temperature right from your phone, but this isn't just about the convenience of using your phone to change the temperature. This also gives you a whole host of additional features to fully take advantage of what the OOLER offers. Within the OOLER companion app, of course, yes, you could change the temperature, but you could also set up a schedule so you could set different temperature settings throughout the night, which is exactly what I do. Through tons of different research and various studies that have been conducted, it's been proven that we get the best sleep when our beds are just a few degrees cooler than the ambient temperature around us at the time of us going to bed. And then about 3 to 4 hours before you wake up, when REM sleep or rapid eye movement sleep is at its peak, science shows that it's actually best to have the temperature of your bed at the same temperature of the ambient room temperature, because that's when your body naturally warms up a little bit anyway. And then where things get really interesting, there's one more piece of the puzzle, and that's waking up. And if you're anything like me, there's nothing more jarring or startling than an alarm clock going off right in the middle of your deep sleep. So that's what brings me to what I think is one of the coolest features of the ChiliSleep OOLER sleep system, and that's the ability of the system to actually automatically set your bed temperature to a high temperature when you wanna wake up, kind of like how our ancestors woke up in the past when the sun gradually rose and started to warm up everything around them. I actually haven't even set an alarm over the last couple of weeks because I know I could rely on the OOLER sleep system to wake me up. It's a natural way to wake up. It hasn't failed me since. This is how I wake up every single morning now. And see, that's where the science comes in, because ChiliSleep knows it's not just about having a cooler night's sleep to be able to sleep more comfortably, it's about biohacking your way to a better night's sleep. And even though cooling your bed or gently heating it with a system like the ChiliSleep CUBE system over here is a great place to start, you can take full advantage of what bed temperature regulation has to offer and take all of that to the next level with the ChiliSleep OOLER sleep system. If you wanna learn more, if you wanna biohack your way to a better night's sleep right away, you can always check out my affiliate link for the OOLER sleep system at bmac.link/OOLER. bmac.link/OOLER, or you already know, there will be a clickable link in the video description box below as well. With about 1/3 of our lives spent sleeping, we should probably treat our nighttime routine and our sleeping habits with as much consideration as we do the rest of our daily life. And if you've been noticing for a while now that you're sleeping too hot or too cold and nothing else seems to work, and if that's impacting the quality of your sleep, it might be a great time to actually finally consider investing in yourself and utilizing the biohacking power and science behind a ChiliSleep sleep system. Sleep longer, sleep better, but perhaps more importantly, sleep more efficiently by grabbing yourself either a ChiliSleep CUBE system or OOLER system today. Once again, a huge thank you and shout out to ChiliSleep for sponsoring this video that we had for you here today. Hopefully you enjoyed this video or learned a thing or two. And if you guys wanna learn more about all of the products that ChiliSleep has to offer, you guys could always head to my affiliate link for that, bmac.link/ChiliSleep. And you know, this is usually the time of day where I gotta go take a quick little cat nap, like a 20-minute nap just to get me boosted up for the rest of the day, but I don't even feel the need to do that anymore. I wonder why. I will see you guys in my next video. Just kidding. I don't even yawn anymore. I don't even remember the last time that I yawned. If I yawn in a video, just know it's probably acting. Just kidding.